friends, my name is Dhanaji Khade and you are watching my YouTube channel English Developers. Now we are going to learn about one of the 8th standard poem 2.3 The Little River by Rabindranath Tagore. The little छोटी सी रिवर म्हणजे नदी. The little river. Our little river, it meanders along. Meanders means like a flow with twist and turn. Flow with twist and turn means वळणे घेत जाणे. In summer, the water is only kin deep, and cows and cart can cross it with easy for the banks, though high are not too steep. Into this first stanza, here the poet Rabindranath Tagore described the little river that flows with twist and turn in summer season. The water in the river is not so deep, it's only knee deep. Hence cows and cart can easily cross the river. The bank of the river are very high but no very steep to climb for the animals. Now second stanza, no sign of slime, the sand shine bright. On one shore, cash fields blossom white. Slime means like a thick slippery substance. Thick slippery substance means chikhal. And cash means tall grass with white feathery flower. Means पांढऱ्या पिसासारखी फुले असणारी उंच गवत. Means बघा, no sign of slime, the sand shine bright. On one shore, cash field blossom white. Chirping Maina through that side. The jackal's howl is heard there at night. Into the second stanza, poet Rabindranath Tagore or the poet says, in summer season, the river has very little water. Bank is not all muddy, so water looks very clear. There is only sand on the bank of the river that shines brightly. On the other side of the river, there are cash fields, means there grows tall grass with white feathering flowers. Further, poet says, at daytime we hear chirping sounds of Maina and at night we hear jackals howl. म्हणजे कोल्हे कुई सुद्धा आपण ऐकू शकतो. Across lies groves of mango and palm. The village priests dwell in their cool shade. Girls and boys bath close to the bank, splashing with their gamchas as they wade. Gamcha means thin cotton towel. Thin cotton towel म्हणजे पातळ सुती कापड असलेलं गमछा हे बघा. Into the third stanza, poet said, the poet described, across the river there is the groves of mangoes and palm trees. The village priests dwell in the cool shade of trees. Boys and girls enjoy river water. They splash water with their gamchas while walking through the knee-deep water. Now come to the fourth stanza. Into the fourth stanza, poet says, at dusk and dawn, once their bath is done, they dip washcloth. Washcloth means like a small cloth or small cloth for washing face. Mrs. बघा, तोंड पुसण्याचे कापड जे होतं washcloth to trap small fish. To their household task, the wives return having used a river sand to scour each dish. Scour means like a scrub. Scrub म्हणजे घासणे. Into the fourth stanza, the poet adds that every morning and evening they take bath in the river water. Means they bath 2 times a day. After bath, they dip their wash clothes to catch the small fish. In the evening, women came to wash the utensils on the river bank. They use river sand to scrub the utensils. And last stanza poet, in Ashad, clouds gather, the waters rise. The rivers in the spat. In spat means a sudden फ्लूड इन रिव्हर, म्हणजे बघा सडन फ्लूड इन रिव्हर म्हणजे जोरदार प्रवाह, पूर येणे. पूर येतो बघा आषाढमध्ये. द करंट ग्रोज स्ट्रॉंग, द एअर इज राईफ. राईफ मीन्स लाईक राईफ मीन्स फुल ऑफ मीन्स पूर्ण भरून गेलेलं असणे. विथ बॅबलिंग साऊंड, बॅबलिंग मीन्स टेकिंग रॅपिडली मीन्स बडबड करणे. अँड द साऊंड ॲज द मडी टोरेंट swell along. Torrent means like a rapid flow of water, पाण्याचा जोरदार प्रवाह. The woods on horse steer to life again. Steer to life again means become alive with sound and movement, म्हणजे जागृत होणे. And our village wakens to celebrate the rain. Into the fifth stanza. In the last stanza, poet described the river in the Ashad. Dark clouds gathering in the sky and it starts raining. The water level of the river rises very high. The river water flows with great speed. The wind blows very noisy, and the bank of river turn muddy. Speedy water hail to grows the new plants and trees on the bank of river. All the villagers gather to welcome the rain and new life beside the river. This is the poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now margin questions. Margin questions. First question is बघा, पहिला क्वेश्चन कसा आहे बघा. पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे, how do we know that the river is just knee deep? Answer is the line, in summer the water is only knee deep and cow and carts can cross it with easy till the water is not deep. Second question is, what does one see along the bank of the river? And answer is, one can see shiny bright sand, white blossom, cash field along the bank of the river. Maina are chirping and the jackal howls at night. There are groves of mango and palm on the banks. The village priests live under their cool shades. Girls and boys are taking bath and splashing water. Third question बघा कसा आहे, how do the young children enjoy the river? Answer is, the young children bath close to the bank of the river. They are walking in the shallow water and the splash with gamchas. Question number 4, how does the river change in Ashad? Answer is, in Ashad clouds gather in the sky and it starts raining. Water level of the river rises very high and it flows strong, making sounds. People celebrate and welcome the rain.